Everyone, welcome to Automatic Posting Software channel. Today I will show you how to automatic posting Reels to multiple Instagram accounts. First, set up a few basic settings. We can support you to set this, so don't worry if you don't know how to set it. After that, choose the video you want to post Reels. And then, you can add the content you want to post, one line per content. You can also set up automatic likes and comments on video Reels after posting. Finally, choose the accounts you use to post Reels and click Start. The software will post Reels on Instagram automatically for you. This software helps you save time and effort in viral marketing on Instagram. If you're interested, contact me via Telegram or WhatsApp I leave on the video. Thank you and see you in next videos.